Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create 3D audio profile for your headphones Sony Pulse 3D. You have to start by go to settings, then to sound, then to 3D audio headphones and click on create personalized 3D audio profile. Now get started. Start measurement. Now it play some song and you should know where this sound come from. So I hear it here, I click on it here. Now it here. Now it's look like this. And we have 7 rounds. So go to the next one. Now click make additional adjustment. And now we should choose first one for a sound high. So here all of this. And choose the best one for you. I guess this one is the best one for me. And same with sound angle. I definitely choose this one. Then click done. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.